How to find who can follow me settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can follow me settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and then click go down and click this one, followers and public content, and here you will find this one, who can follow me settings. You can make it for friends only or public, it's easy of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.